In this video, I'll show you how to fix the failed to authenticate error on Phantom Wallet. First, try the quick fixes. Close Phantom completely, then reopen it and try again. Check that your internet connection is stable, and if you're on VPN, turn it off and retry. This error is often caused by connection glitches. Next, make sure Phantom is up to date. On mobile, go to the App Store or Google Play and update the app. On desktop, open your browser's extension store, search for Phantom, and update it there. If it's already updated, remove the extension, reinstall it, and then log back in. Now, reconnect your wallet. Open Phantom, choose I already have a wallet, and import it using your secret recovery phrase. But only inside the official Phantom app or extension, never on random websites. If the error still appears, check Phantom's official support or status page for any ongoing issues. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.